Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save drafts in Edit. All right. And it's actually pretty easy to do. Well, first up, go ahead and make your project. For example, we're going to tap on the plus sign right here at the bottom right. Let's say I'm going to make a new project right here. Once that's done, I'm just going to tap on the check mark. All right. Say, for example, I am editing these clips or photos. I'm going to add in some audio like this one. Tap on it and hit on done. I'm just going to add in some text, sound effects like that. Okay. Now to be able to save it as a draft, all we need to do is just go ahead and first make sure that you rename the project. Okay. Like family, like that. Once done, just hit on the done button. Tap on it and go ahead and tap on the X button. Okay. When you tap on it, you will be landed on your dashboard. As you can see here we have our draft named family. If you want to duplicate a draft, just go ahead and tap and hold. And here we have the duplicate option. And if you want to delete it, you have the delete button here as well. Say, for example, I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to tap and hold and hit on delete, delete, and there you have it. All right. Make sure that you're on this particular tab. Okay. If you're under this tab, you won't be able to see your draft. Okay, under ideas, make sure that you're under project. Now, when we tap on it again, here we have our saved work. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.